It is in Paris.
Yes, good. The Eiffel Tower in Paris. Okay, now, Isabel, one for you.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa, it's in Italy.
Yes, that's right. Is it in Pisa?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Okay. Now, Ali, one from you.
Ayasofya, it's in Istanbul, Turkey.
Of course. Okay. So let's go and visit them all. Now, we're going to look at names of places on the earth. And I want you to give me first some examples of oceans. So just one each. Let's start with Ali.
The Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean. Yes, ocean. Okay. Susan?
The Atlantic Ocean.
The Atlantic Ocean. Okay. And one more, Isabel.
The Indian Ocean.
Yes, good. The Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, let's get the names of some seas. Okay, oceans are very big, and then we have seas. So, Ali, you start.
The Black Sea.
The Black Sea, okay. And where is it?
It's in Turkey.
Of course. Okay, Isabel.
The Red Sea.
Oh, we're on a color theme. The Red Sea. Okay. And where is the Red Sea?
It's in the Arab Gulf.
Yes, it is. Okay, Susan?
Yellow Sea.
The Yellow Sea. And where is the Yellow Sea?
I think it is near China.
Yes, it's near China. Okay. Now, I guess we could really say that all seas are blue, but we have the black, the red, and the yellow. Okay, now, let's do some rivers. The names of some rivers, and Ali, you start.
The Nile River, it's in Egypt.
Okay, the Nile River, it's in Egypt. Now, Susan?
The Seine River. It's in Paris.
Okay, in French they say the Seine, right?
The Seine.
Yep.
Yes, okay. Now, and Isabel, one from you.
There is a big river in the U.S. It's called the Mississippi.
Okay, now, spell it.
Mississippi.
Yes, good. All right. Okay, children in the US and Canada learn to spell this because it has sort of a rhythm. Mississippi. And then they go home and say, Mom, I can spell Mississippi. So now you can spell it too. Okay, now we've done oceans, seas, and rivers. Let's do some deserts. And we'll start with Susan.
The Gobi Desert in Asia.
The Gobi Desert is in Asia. All right, Isabel?
The Sahara Desert in Africa.
Okay, the Sahara Desert. And Ali?
The Mojave Desert in California.
You probably saw the Mojave Desert in cowboy films. So, good one. Okay. Now, since we're talking about places, you're going to look at a map and tell me how to get somewhere. Now, the map on the screen is the old part of Istanbul, Sultanahmet. Many tourists go to Sultanahmet. So now I'm a tourist. There are lots of things to see there. And you tell me how to get around. So, Susan, you start. I'm at the tramway stop.
Go straight ahead. Turn left at the park. You will see Ayasofya.
Okay, great. Hagia Sophia is beautiful, but now I want to go somewhere else. Ali, can you tell me how to go to the Blue Mosque?
From Ayasofya, go straight. You will see it on the right-hand side.
Okay, great. Now, the Mosaic Museum is near the Blue Mosque. How do I get there?
From the Blue Mosque, turn right, and then turn right again. It's on the right.
Okay, great. Now, I want to go to Topkapi Palace. How do I get there, Isabel?
Okay. Go to the corner. turn left. Go right at the first corner, go straight, and Topkapı Palace is there.
Okay, great. Now, I also want to go to the Archaeological Museum, Isabel.
Okay, turn right, walk about 100 meters, turn right, it's on the right side.
Okay, great. Thank you for helping me to see some things in Old Istanbul. Now, we're going to talk about how we travel, and we're going to make some groups. So let me make some room here, and we'll talk about different kinds of transportation. So first, we'll talk about transportation on the water. What goes on the water? So, water. All right. Now, Ali, you start.
A ship.
A ship. Okay. Susan.
A ferry.
A ferry, yes. Okay. Ali, another one?
A tanker.
A tanker, good one. Okay, a tanker. Susan?
A fishing boat.
A fishing boat, yes, of course, because fish are in the water. A fishing boat. And the last one, Isabel?
A cruise ship.
Ooh, a cruise ship. Okay, so we have a few things that go on the water. A ship, a ferry, a tanker, a fishing boat, and a cruise ship. Now, what are some kinds of transportation that go on the land? So, Susan, you start, give us two kinds.
Okay. A bicycle and motorcycle.
Okay, a bicycle and a motorcycle. Good, all right. Ali, two.
A car and a taxi.
A car and a taxi. All right, and Isabel?
A train, a tramway.
A train and a tramway. And of course there are many more. So we have a bicycle, a motorcycle, a car, a taxi, a train, a tramway, and there's more. Okay, now of course we can also travel by air. There's not so many by air, but what are some of them? Isabel?
A plane.
A plane. Okay. Susan?
A jet.
A jet, yes. Okay, Ali?
A balloon.
A balloon, yes. And any more, Isabel?
A glider.
A glider, okay. And what is a glider?
It's a plane without a motor.
Yes, it's a plane without a motor. Who? Not for me, thank you. Okay, any more, Ali?
A parachute.
A parachute, okay, good. A parachute. And one more, Susan?
A kite.
Ah, well, we don't usually use a kite to travel, but maybe water skiing with a kite. We could add that on. Okay, good. You did a great job. And now, for you, it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
We went to Tokyo by plane. We didn't go by ship.